Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to transform into Maomao. So let's get started. I start by covering my eyebrows with a full coverage concealer. This gives a smooth base and makes it easier to redraw the brows later. Next, I redraw the eyebrows. Maomao has a very open-eyed look, so I draw them slightly higher and keep them very thin to keep the focus on the eyes. Even though Maomao has dark green hair, I'm using a rich black for the eyebrows. Maomao has almond-shaped eyes, so I'm using eyelid tape to create that effect. Next, I add some light brown eyeshadow to give the eyes more depth and blend the eyelid tape into the look. Next, I apply a rich red eyeshadow to the outer corner of the eye. At this stage, I focus on building up the intensity and applying plenty of pigment. The application doesn't have to be perfectly precise, as the eyeshadow will later be blended outward into a soft cat eye shape. Now it's time for the eyeliner. To create a defined cat eye effect, I extend the liner into a long, sharp wing at the outer corner, stopping around the middle of the eyelid. This elongated shape helps make the eyes appear narrower and more lifted. I also add a little black eyeshadow along the lower lash line to give the eyes more depth. Next is mascara. This helps the natural lashes blend seamlessly with the false lashes and adds some definition without overpowering the look. For the next step, I apply false lashes. It's important that they extend slightly beyond your natural lash line. I also place them a little toward the outer corner to enhance the cat eye shape. Next, I move on to concealer. I focus on brightening the under eye area and evening out the skin. I keep a little distance from the lash line and gently tap it in for a natural finish. Lately, I've just been liking the look of skipping foundation and using only concealer for my cosplays. I feel like it gives the makeup a more natural look, so I decided to do the same for this Maomao look. Then I lightly set the base with translucent powder. It keeps everything in place, controls shine, and leaves the skin looking soft and smooth. Kind of like a natural blur filter. For the lips, Maomao wears a beautiful berry-toned lipstick, so I'm applying one in a similar shade. I follow my natural lip shape and fill them in carefully to keep it elegant and subtle. To top it off, I add a glossy lip gloss with a high shine finish. This gives the lips more volume and makes the color pop even more. And of course, I'm finishing off the look with these blue contact lenses. I'll leave the link in the video description. And that's it!